Good evening. You join me, literally trying to craft my way through an economic downturn in the best run country in the world. I think we're about to get a reminder, other than hunger, as to why I started making used sticks. Get a nice look at that if you can. I realise the light is a bit crappy. I'll do my best. What you do is you get your boiled linseed oil, apply liberally. Yeah. Make sure your linseed oil doesn't get knocked over. And watch those grains come alive. Let me see there. Love a used stick. So does everyone else. Come find me and buy this off me. I am on Instagram. I am on eBay. A bit done with eBay, really. I think they've priced themselves out of the game. We don't need eBay. Come get him. Good Lord.